Welcome back to Overheat. The 2026 Honda Motorhome is expected to be a cutting-edge recreational vehicle or V that blends luxury, comfort, and advanced technology. Whether it's a cross-country journey or a weekend escape, the aim is to deliver a memorable travel experience. This car is made to satisfy the demands of contemporary tourists who need convenience and flexibility while they travel. Important expected features: the layout of a lavish environment, spacious, tastefully decorated room using high-end materials, flexible arrangement that lets you change the area as needed, complete facilities such as a living room, kitchen, bathroom, and bed, voice command integration, an infotainment system with a full touchscreen, and automated driving mode are examples of innovative features. Suspension system with self-adjustment for optimal comfort on a range of roads. Advanced safety features include adaptive cruise control and lane-keeping assistance. Performance and efficiency: improved hybrid drivetrain with electric motor and gasoline engine. The two power modes are short-distance electric driving and long-distance fuel driving. The option of all-wheel drive AWD improves stability and traction. Extra features: solar panels on the roof for extra power. A clever and effective storage system. Effective ventilation. Quick charging of batteries. Features of Elegance and Comfort: every passenger will be comfortable thanks to the dual-zone climate control system, which allows for varied temperature settings in various parts of the RV. With heated adjustable chairs that offer heating options during chilly weather, long trips can be as comfortable as possible. High-end entertainment system, equipped with a huge touchscreen, surround sound, and an internet connection. This system offers a wide range of entertainment options. Adjustable ambient lighting adds coziness and luxury to the motorhome's interior. Ideal space for storage, an inventive and useful storage solution that makes the most of the room for bags.